Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create a zip file of a project in a virtual or Visual Studio Code on Windows 10. Firstly, manually navigate to the location where your project files are stored. If you're unsure about the location, open VS Studio Code and click on File in the menu. Select Open Recent to see a list of recently opened projects. Take note of the first location in the list, as this is the location of your most recently opened project. Just minimize the Visual Studio Code window and open the File Explorer by clicking on the folder icon in your taskbar or pressing Windows+E. Click on this PC or computer, then navigate to the location where your project files are stored. Find the folder containing all of your project files and right-click on the project folder. Hover over to the Send to option in the context menu and click on Compressed folder to create a zip file. You can rename the zip file or leave it with the default name. And after you rename the zip file or leave it with the default name, it's done. Your project files are now zipped into a single file on Visual Studio Code on Windows 10. But also, let me tell you that this method works exactly on Windows 11 like on Windows 10. You have to locate your project files, click Open Recent, note the project location, minimize VS Code, open File Explorer, navigate to the project location,